The good news is you already know what you're looking for. You already have the role, and now you've posted it, and you posted the job description in the places where you're supposed to post it. Maybe you went on online jobs page, maybe you went on LinkedIn, maybe some Facebook groups. But then the bad news is now you've got 140 applicants and you don't have time to check it all. Now, first of all, the reason why you wanted to hire for this role is that you can have less work on your plate, not to have more. So today I will help you solve that problem. And the other good news is that you don't need some high level vibe coding. We're also not going to be building an AI agent. I really don't want you to be intimidated by what we're doing today. I want you to be able to fix this issue in under 20 minutes. And so in this video, I will share with you one very simple prompt that can help you, that you can just log on to your Claude. Ideally, you would have a Claude Pro account. And the other version is I will teach you super easy ways to set up a Claude project that will help you hire for the role that you're looking for, and so that you don't have to hire a recruiter and you don't have to spend a lot of time with screening. Maybe this will help you just find the top 3 candidates or the top 6 candidates, and then you can save a lot of time pouring through resumes, and you can just focus on meeting these people and really getting to know them. So before we get into that, let me reintroduce myself. I'm Carla Singson. I'm the CEO and founder of Proximity Outsourcing, and this is something that my team and I do every single day. We've been doing this for almost a decade now, and we're so happy and so proud to share that over 500 companies have trusted us with their teams, with hiring the best and the top tier marketing and management talent from the Philippines and Latin America. I'm Filipina. I grew up in the Philippines, and I went to one of the best business schools in the country. So I know how to find amazing talent, and I will share some of my best trainings for you in this YouTube channel. So you better come back here, click like, and hit subscribe. And every Friday I post a video on how I can help you grow your business with the best practices in outsourcing. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make this super easy. Number one, let's start with a very simple prompt. Now, the good thing about owning a Claude Pro account is that you can upload up to 20 files, even if you're just using the basic chat interface. So this method is the fastest method. You just need to include 5 things in your prompt. Number one, talk about the role and the quick description of your business. So introduce yourself, introduce your business, add as much context as possible, and talk about the role that you want to place in your business. So if you need a social media manager, talk about that. Say, I'm a blank business and I need a social media manager for my company, so that, and don't forget the so that, because that communicates purpose and that communicates intention and what the goals are for hiring this particular role in your business. Number 2, talk about your must-haves. What are some of the experiences that this person must have? What are some of the industries that they should have worked before? Maybe some roles that they should have had, some departments that they should have worked before. It's really important to highlight this. You can make this as long or as short as you want. Remember, the more context you give it, the better the results will be. Number 3 is the nice to haves. So maybe these are not non-negotiables, but maybe you have a preference for certain people, maybe in a certain industry or maybe in a particular background, so you can add that as well. Another tip that I'll add is that you can even use this part of the prompt to also mention which cities you want to hire from. So the problem with offshore hiring is that the person who's outsourcing to a very different country, oftentimes a country from the other side of the world, they wouldn't have extra nuance or extra context on what each city looks like. And so in the Philippines, for example, and I run into this problem so many times in the past, and that's why for my outsourcing company, we only hire from very specific cities. So some cities will be calamity prone, some cities will not have a lot of calamities, some cities will have 24/7 electricity and water, and some don't. Some cities are less urbanized than others, less developed than others, which will of course affect all of the infrastructure, including access to certain service providers like internet or secondary power sources. So always think about that. You can add that to your prompt as well. Number 4, the next thing that you need to add are the red flags. So what are the things that you want Claude to flag in the applicants? So you can maybe talk about unexplained gaps in their resume, or maybe there's an industry that you don't want to work with, or maybe just your personal boundaries. So you can be open about this and you can just add that to the prompt. And of course, number 5, this is also very important. You have to add in your prompt that you want Claude to employ the best practices of the world's best recruiters or the best practices in recruitment when hiring for this specific role. So it's just always good to mention that. You can have the best result even if you're just using chat, and even if this is super easy to set up. Honestly, it will just take you less than 5 minutes to set this up. And if you already have up to 20 resumes at a time, you can just upload those resumes in the chat and then you can make it work. It's magic. All right, so let's do a sample. I'm going to dictate a sample prompt and you're going to see it typed onto Claude. I need a project manager for my business. We are a home services company that's focused on doing home management, personal assistance, and concierge services for high net worth families, seniors, or people with disabilities. We are based in Post Falls, Idaho. Shout out to Post Falls. That's where my husband is from. I need someone who has previous experience managing a team that is service or hospitality focused, at least 2 years of professional experience in operations, someone who knows their way around the Google Business Suite, and someone who has at least 5 years of professional experience working with American businesses. I would prefer candidates with previous experience in any home service industry, any company that serves seniors, or someone who has experience in event planning. So note that these are just my personal preferences. My red flags include less than a year in a particular job, unexplained gaps, and low signs of tech proficiency, especially with project management tools. Score the candidates based on best practices in recruitment in this industry and rank them accordingly. That's the prompt. And then, like I said, you can just upload the files or the resumes or the CVs that you got from the applicants, and you can just make it do its magic. Let me know how it goes. All right, now it's time for part 2, and this is how to screen job applicants using Claude projects. One thing that I want to share is you don't have to build an AI agent or you don't need to vibe code anything. This is perfect for people who consider themselves a newbie in the AI world. I don't need you to know how to code or apply any Python skills over here. If you know how to manage a Google Drive, then you're in the right place. It's going to be very easy. So what I want you to think about is that Claude project is basically just a folder with files that consist of context. Each file, a transcript, a PDF, a set of examples for sample resumes, all of these things are just meant to convey extra context and to really tighten up your criteria for job screening. So when I say build a Claude project, it's actually super easy. You open your Claude account, go to projects, and then you will get a prompt to open a particular folder. You will literally get the folder prompt, and then in that folder, you can type the prompt that we used before as your instructions. You can also add files to add to the context. So you can add PDFs, you can add resumes that you like, you can even add transcripts of previous interviews, you can add even books that you like for hiring, just to add like context. Because what you're trying to do is you're trying to really build some sort of a screening agent inside your computer. Sorry for using the term agent. What I'm just saying, it may be a sorter, right? Like someone who can help you sort and someone who can save you maybe 30 to 50 hours of sorting through resumes. And now you can just have the top 3 candidates or the top 6 candidates handed to you on a platter so that you can just focus on interviewing them. So of course, when you get those applicants as well, and when Claude has done scoring all of your applicants and giving its advice, I want you to still look at their profiles manually, and I still want you to do a basic background check manually, maybe their LinkedIn or their social media. And of course, you can still add that on the prompts, and you can still add that as one of the upgrades of your hiring process, because now you're using a Claude project, and not just a prompt. So what's the big difference between the two? So earlier we just used a prompt, and then for each chat or each round, you can upload up to 20 files. And there are also limitations on the file size. So find the limitations on the file size according to your Claude membership. You can easily find it. But for a Claude project, you are building this sorting machine in your computer, and so you can upload unlimited files, and it is also a living and breathing thing, which means that you can add context, you can add more files to help this process get better. So another big difference is the single prompt. It's better to do that if you're hiring for one role at a time. And if you're hiring for one role but multiple times, so for example, my husband's company, GetCSM.com, he hires client success managers for B2B service companies and customer success managers for 7- and 8-figure e-commerce stores. So these 2 roles are the roles that he hires for over and over again. So I would say having a Claude project file in his computer would be the best way for him to go. But of course, because it's already a full-fledged business and this is what he does all day, every day, he already has a very formidable team, formidable recruitment team doing that job. And it's not just a Claude folder sitting on his computer. But if you are the DIY type of person, if you're a business owner and you just really need to save time in the sorting process, then you can do this, especially if you're hiring for multiple people at a time, maybe 3 customer support representatives at a time, or maybe you're growing so fast, you're an agency like most of our clients, and you need to hire for 3 video editors at the same time. So this is something that you can definitely use and you can develop. And like I said, a Claude project is a living and breathing thing. You can just add more context, more PDFs, more transcripts, more content as much as possible to just keep it improving its skills. So those are the 2 ways that you can save 30 to 50 hours of sorting through different resumes after you've posted your job hiring and after you've gotten all of the applications. Like I said, be sure to still manually check and be sure to still do a basic background check on the applicants, and then you can proceed to interviewing them. If you check out my YouTube channel as well, I also post a lot of advice and a lot of videos on how to interview and how to really screen applicants. And if you want to know about our process, we are launching our course this September 2026, hireanaiva.com, where we share masterclasses and all of our resources so that you can hire an AI savvy virtual assistant for your business. If you're the DIY type of person, we can help you with that. You can get all of our resources and you can just copy our entire process. And of course, if you want to save more time, 50 to probably 100 hours of vetting, searching, background checks, manually checking everything, if you want to save time doing first rounds of interviews, and if you just want to go straight to meeting the top 3 candidates handed to you on a platter, I would love if we could work together. My company, Proximity Outsourcing, has helped over 500 successful agencies, e-commerce stores, service-based businesses, from solopreneurs that are making 20 to 30K a month to 8-figure businesses, to even businesses that have been acquired by big multinational companies. We have helped them all. If you're looking for the best place to hire top tier management and marketing talent from the Philippines and Latin America, I would love to have a conversation. I would love to know how my team at Proximity Outsourcing can help you out. And of course, if you just want to get my advice, every Friday I'm here. So hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.